I love you all. Hey, my dear, I'm coming for you tomorrow. I'm coming for you. Be in your classes, but I'm coming. Whether with the caterpillar, I will pick you. Whether with the tractor, I will pick you. Are you ready? If you refuse caterpillar, you refuse what? I will go with you in a Zawadi bus. Bye-bye! Did go away more? Yeah. Human rights, equal rights, global concern, common standards to mankind, whether short, tall, black or white, equal rights to mankind. Everyone has a right, all people are equal. Before God, before the Lord, all people are equal. Humanity for all, gender balance needed. Level. God child education.